Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thanks, Mom. Where's Dad?
He left early. The neighbor needed help with his car. You know your father.
Yeah. If it has an engine, he's a happy man.
Morning. What are you talking about?
Your sister's date.
Wait, what? Emma had a date?
Mom, please.
He was going to find out anyway.
Okay, I need details.
It wasn't a big deal. We just had dinner.
Sure. And I'm the king of rock.
Dylan,
Tell me.
we talked a lot. It was really nice. He works with computers.
Great. Now I have someone to fix mine when it breaks again.
Dylan,
I'm helping the family.
I'm happy you had a good time, Emma.
And I want to meet him for scientific reasons.
scientific?
Very scientific.
Hey.
Hey, I'm busy being a rock star.
Oh, really?
So, do you like this Alex guy?
Dylan,
What? I'm doing research.
yes, I like him.
Okay, good. If he hurts you, I will...
You will what?
I don't know. I'm small, but I can be loud
You're impossible.
and adorable. Don't forget adorable.
Emma, can you help me for a moment?
Sure.
Do I have to help too?
Yes.
This is child labor.
You're 15.
Exactly. I'm a child.
So, are you going to see Alex again?
Maybe. We didn't make any plans yet.
Lies. She's totally planning something.
Dylan,
I can feel the romance in the air.
Dylan, fold the towels.
Fine. But I fold them in my own artistic style.
No, normal style.
Boring.
Hello, family.
hi, Dad.
You smell like a car.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
How was the neighbor's car?
Old, very old, but it's running now. Your mom told me you had a date last night.
Dad,
I'm happy for you.
Dad, he works with computers.
Oh, good. Maybe he can fix mine too.
oh my gosh. Hi, Alex.
Hey, Emma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I just wanted to hear your voice.
That's sweet.
I had a great time last night.
Me too. It was really nice.
I like you, Emma.
I like you too.
Maybe we can see each other again.
I'd like that.
Do you want to go to the movies next weekend?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Perfect. I'll text you the time.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye, Emma.
Bye.
So, who are you talking to?
Dylan, don't start.
I heard movies. I heard next weekend. I heard bye, Alex.
You were listening?
No, I was accidentally standing near your door.
Dylan,
Relax. I approve.
you approve?
Yes, I'm the little brother. My approval is important
You're ridiculous.
and adorable. Again, don't forget adorable. I want popcorn at the movies too.
You're not coming.
We'll see.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thanks, Mom. Where's Dad?
He left early. The neighbor needed help with his car. You know your father.
Yeah. If it has an engine, he's a happy man.
Morning. What are you talking about?
Your sister's date.
Wait, what? Emma had a date?
Mom, please.
He was going to find out anyway.
Okay, I need details.
It wasn't a big deal. We just had dinner.
Sure. And I'm the king of rock.
Dylan,
Tell me.
we talked a lot. It was really nice. He works with computers.
Great. Now I have someone to fix mine when it breaks again.
Dylan,
I'm helping the family.
I'm happy you had a good time, Emma.
And I want to meet him for scientific reasons.
scientific?
Very scientific.
Hey.
Hey, I'm busy being a rock star.
Oh, really?
So, do you like this Alex guy?
Dylan,
What? I'm doing research.
yes, I like him.
Okay, good. If he hurts you, I will...
You will what?
I don't know. I'm small, but I can be loud
You're impossible.
and adorable. Don't forget adorable.
Emma, can you help me for a moment?
Sure.
Do I have to help too?
Yes.
This is child labor.
You're 15.
Exactly. I'm a child.
So, are you going to see Alex again?
Maybe. We didn't make any plans yet.
Lies. She's totally planning something.
Dylan,
I can feel the romance in the air.
Dylan, fold the towels.
Fine. But I fold them in my own artistic style.
No. Normal style.
Boring.
Hello, family.
hi, Dad.
You smell like a car.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
How was the neighbor's car?
Old, very old. But it's running now. Your mom told me you had a date last night.
Dad,
I'm happy for you.
Dad, he works with computers.
Oh, good. Maybe he can fix mine too.
oh my gosh. Hi, Alex.
Hey, Emma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I just wanted to hear your voice.
That's sweet.
I had a great time last night.
Me too. It was really nice.
I like you, Emma.
I like you too.
Maybe we can see each other again.
I'd like that.
Do you want to go to the movies next weekend?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Perfect. I'll text you the time.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye, Emma.
Bye.
So, who are you talking to?
Dylan, don't start.
I heard movies. I heard next weekend. I heard bye, Alex.
You were listening?
No, I was accidentally standing near your door.
Dylan,
Relax. I approve.
you approve?
Yes, I'm the little brother. My approval is important
You're ridiculous.
and adorable. Again, don't forget adorable. I want popcorn at the movies too.
You're not coming.
We'll see.